Hi everyone, hey, it's Diane. I'm going to show you some of the plants I got going for spring 2021. Wow, where does the time go? It's gone so fast, and I cannot believe that after all these years I'm still growing in my basement. I still enjoy it. Since I started working in town just 2.5 months ago, it gets a little bit harder to manage my time, but I'm trying to do my best with my days off to do what I can and to shoot a few videos to get them to you today. What I would really appreciate if you would like this video today, just toss a like down there, because it helps me grow my channel, it helps my videos get seen, and that is what I am interested in, is sharing what I know and also sharing with other fellow gardeners the love of gardening. Plants are doing really well. They're really green because I've been using some fish emulsions. It's basically fish poo, and it works really good for an organic fertilizer, and I really like it. So I'm just going to show you my plants, what I got started. It's going to be a lot of things that I normally grow. So let's get started, and I'm going to show you the plants right now. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put each one down on this platform right here. And then we're going to go out to my little greenhouse because I took a bunch out there already. I want to get the rest of these out, but I just haven't had a time. Today is 86 degrees, April 26th. It is crazy out, crazy warm. What are those? Does anybody know? I saved my seeds from these last year, from a few plants I purchased, and boy were they prolific. These are the butterfly weed, those orange flowers, the monarch flower. The monarchs love these, and they're very beneficial to have in your garden. Look at those. Look how green they are. Been feeding them with fish emulsions. Again, I can't say enough about it. Okay, those are the butterfly weed. I got several petunias growing, and I saved my seeds last year. These are going to be, I don't know what color these are going to be, because I know when I collect a seed they change colors. So I'm not even going to say what this one is, because I just don't know what color it's going to be. It's going to be a surprise. Here's some more. I got these from one of my pink trailing petunias. Look at those. I got to get these out in the greenhouse soon. Will they be pink? Don't know. Here's some more pink petunias. I would say they'll probably be different shades of pink. So I got 4 flats. I think I have another flat out in the greenhouse. They're a little bigger than these are. Got a few tomato plants. I'm not growing a ton of tomatoes this year. I just don't have the room. Plus, we just don't eat them like we used to. I have quite a bit from last year. There's some more petunias. These are a little bigger, as you can see, and gosh, they're nice. I hope I can keep them this green. Sometimes they have a tendency to yellow, and I do have fertilizer for them. So these will go back under lights for now until I have time to take them out in the greenhouse. Does anybody know what these plants are? Grown them before. Celosia New Look. You can see how they're getting their red leaves already. They will have red, deep red leaves, and I have these on my videos, with a beautiful burgundy plume that'll shoot up. Beautiful plant. Salvia Evolution. Always grow this one. It's a purple salvia. Very pretty. It attracts lots of bees and insects. These will self-seed, and they'll both self-seed out in the garden. So I did buy seeds though this time, but they will self-seed, and you can collect them if you want. So I got pepper plants. We got the orange and the red. Normally they all come green and then they'll turn, but look how big them have gotten. They will need to go out in the greenhouse real soon. Some are getting kind of floppy in here, and don't worry about it. When I plant them, I'm going to plant them a little bit deeper, and I think they'll just do just fine. I'm going to show you my cardinal climbers outside, but I do have a 6-pack right here. But the rest are out in my greenhouse. But you know the cardinal climber, how much I love the cardinal climber for hummingbirds. Red tubular flowers, beautiful plants, and I can't wait to get them planted. So here's my zinnia seedlings. I have 6 different varieties this year that I will be putting in the garden. Some of these are going to have to be transplanted very soon. Some of these, like these, I do not have to transplant. I put them right in the cells. I do my gardening a little different. I don't always put them in the cells. Just depends on my time. But look at all those. Those look cool, don't they? Really nice and green. I've never planted these before, but this is the Bonbon series Yellow Calendula. Haven't planted them, but I've heard good things about them, and the plants look really nice and healthy. So I'm excited to get them out in the garden, and it'll be something I will share with you later if they do well here. So as you can see, I don't have a lot of plants in the house. I really don't. This is all I have. The rest are outdoors. So let's go check them out. Hi everyone, so I'm out in my little greenhouse. You guys have seen, a lot of you have seen this before, but those of you that haven't, I got about a 12 by 16 greenhouse here. The greenhouse has got some age on it, but it still works for sheltered. I still have the polycarbonate panels that you can, all the light comes in, but it's really warm in here today. But I wanted to show you the plants that I got started. I got a few perennials, and the rest are some annuals and stuff. So in front of you is the lupines. This is a mix. This is a perennial. I'm going to be collecting seed in the, when they start seeding, and probably grow more next year. But look at that beautiful leaf. They always say, if you look at the stem, if they got a darker stem, it's probably going to be a darker color. It might be a red. The lighter stems could be a yellow. So this will be fun to see, what they really become when they start flowering. I collected seed last year from the purple coneflower, and I'm pretty pleased with how they've grown. I love these because you will see these a lot in ditches, in CRP, grassland, and they just do so well, especially when it's hot and dry, and they're so pretty. Such a pretty flower. So I got quite a few of these. I did quite a few, but I don't know what I'm going to do with them all, but I'm going to find an area for them and just put them in mass plantings if I have to, and then every year they'll drop some seed, they'll multiply, and hopefully before long I'll have a big area of the purple coneflower. There's more of my butterfly weed. I got several here. As you can see, I got quite a few of these. I shouldn't have planted all the seed that I saved, but wow. Just wow. Here's the cosmos. This is the mix. These are the taller variety. Look how tall them are. They just get that way, but they are very pretty sturdy plants already. When I plant them, I'll probably bury them down a little ways, and I think they'll be fine. But so this Cosmo, they do stretch very fast. It's kind of unpreventable indoors. But they put this Cosmo in wildflower mixes quite often. Very nice and pretty. I just love them. They're going to be taller, and they are also going to be, they're smaller flower. They're a mix. I'll have whites and purples and burgundies. They'll just be beautiful. So that'll be something I'll be able to show you later on, and I'll enjoy doing that. Here's quite a bit more of the purple coneflower. Nice, beautiful plants already. Will they flower this year? I'm not positive of that. It's kind of going to depend, I suppose. Here is my cardinal climber. They are vining, and I have been trimming them back. I'll just take and trim them back. If I trim them back, they'll send out shoots on both sides of the stem. So it doesn't hurt anything. It's just going to make a lot nicer plant. And when these get tangled, they're not very fun to try to get apart. So, I mean, you can either cut them apart or, I just like to pinch them off now so I don't have to worry about it. But these are really nice. And you've seen them in my videos if you follow me. I plant these every year. I got the moss rose. I saved seed last year. These will be a mix of colors. And some are red and some are going to be a mix. Check this out here. I pulled these from a red flower. A red, so I know they're going to be red. Look at the stems. Means they're going to be a deeper, darker color. And these are from the red, so I'm going to have some pretty red ones. There's some more of the Evolution Salvia. I saved seed last year from the Orange Cosmos. If you never planted Orange Cosmos, very pretty. Related to the marigolds, I believe, because look at that, they look very similar. I had some old marigold seed. Didn't germinate very well. So there's my plants. Like I said, I don't plant near as much as I used to. Everything looks green, and when our weather cooperates and stays consistent in the evening and during the day, I'll be starting to plant these outside. So in the meantime, I'll be watering them every day in the greenhouse. Like today, it's probably 100 in here. Unusual, really warm for April, but we always get some warmer days and then it cools off again. I appreciate you watching, and get growing from seed if you have any interest in it at all. It's very fun. Make sure you check out my other videos. I have a lot of growing from seed videos because I really enjoy sharing those videos. So we'll see you next time. I hope you enjoyed this. Toss a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you, and we'll talk to you later. Bye. If you like this video, can I get a thumbs up? Hit the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to get notified of all my new video content. Thank you, and I will see you next time.